Hello, good morning, students. Hello, good morning, students. Today we are discussing the lecture number 9. Heading is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. So, packing efficiency means the whatever the cube is there, either the body center cube, face center cube, edge center cube, or any cube. Right, students? So, the each carbon atoms are contributing 1 by 8 part. After contributing 1 by 8 part, how much compactly they are bonded and how much empty space is present. How much compactly this one AB, this is considered, this is A and this is B, this is C, this is D. Similarly, this is A, this is B, C, D. The A and B, how much compactly they are bonded and how much empty space is present. Empty space is present in this crystal. So that is we call it the packing efficiency. The percentage of attraction and percentage of empty space is present. In how much percentage of attraction, how much strongly they are compactly bonded and how much the empty space is left in the crystal called as packing efficiency. Percentage of total space occupied by the particle called as packing efficiency. Percentage of total space occupied by the particles called as packing efficiency. Right, students? So there are three types. Packing efficiency, three types. Packing efficiency of SCC. Right, students? Packing efficiency of SCC means simple cubic crystal. Packing efficiency of BCC means body centered cubic crystal. Packing efficiency of FCC, face centered cubic crystal. For these three, for your syllabus, students, for your syllabus. Okay. Packing efficiency of SCC. Let's see, students. A atom, B atom we are using here. We know that number of atoms in SCC. Already we know that the number of atom 8, contribution 1 by 8. So total number of atom is 1. Right, students? So distance from here in simple cubic crystal, or you may say primitive cubic crystal. Simple cubic also called as a primitive cubic crystal. Primitive cubic crystals. It means constant particles only at the corner. So when constant particles present at the edge length of the unit cell A is equal to RA plus RB. A is equal to 2R. Volume of the cube, this is, if the edge length A means the whole volume is taken as a cube. A cube is 2R whole cube, that is 8R cube. Volume of the cube. Volume of the sphere. If we consider total number of atom is 1 and this one atom is considered as a spherical form. It means the spherical formula is 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi R cube. So if consider the volume is spherical, means the spherical volume, sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi R cube. This is constant value. So volume of one atom, one sphere. One sphere is there, one sphere. So 1 into 4 by 3 pi R cube. Volume of the cube 8R cube. R cube get cancel. 4 ones are 4 twos are get cancel. Then 4 by pi divided by 3 into 2 into 100. That is pi by 6. 3.42 pi value and 6. Then we got 52.4 the packing efficiency of SCC. Packing efficiency of SCC. Right, students? Understood? Next, students, the packing efficiency of BCC. This is a BCC structure, carbon atom as well as the one body centered atom. Number of atoms in BCC 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. 8 get cancel, 1 plus 1 that is 2. So total number of atoms in BCC is 2. So here we are using the sphere. We are mentioned here A, B, C, D. Right. So here we want to calculate what is the diagonal length of AC. The diagonal. So what is the diagonal length of AC with respect to A, B, C, D. So with Pythagoras theorem, writing a triangle of ABC, AC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square. AB adjacent A and BC adjacent also A. CD adjacent also A. But what is the distance from AC? So AC whole square, AB is A square, BC is A square, 2A square. So AC is 2A square. Right hand triangle of ACD, ACD, ACD. So what is A to C distance? C to distance. We know C to D distance. And here we want to calculate the what is AD distance. AD diagonal A to D distance. AD whole square, AC square plus CD square. So sorry, it is AC whole square plus CD whole square. That is AC means 2A square. Already we got it here. And CD is A square. That is 2A square plus A square. That is 3A square. Right. So AD is equal to root 3A. AD means 4R. Why we consider 4R? Because here this is RA radius 1 and this is RD radius, right? And these central atoms are contributing half R to A and half R to D. So calculate, friends, how many radius are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4R. So that's why we are using here AD value. We are using here 4R. Root 3. That is A taken as outside. The 4R by root 3. Edge length. Volume of the cube means make it cube. The A cube 4R by root 3 whole cube 64 R cube. That is root 3 whole the 64 R cube 3. So here I am splitting here this cube. The base are same, power is different. Base same but power is different. We have to split here root 3 whole power 2, root 3 power 1. So 2 root and square get cancelled. The 64 3 into root 3 R cube. So number of atoms in volume of sphere. How many number of atoms? 2 atoms. BCC, packing efficiency of BCC. How many number of atoms are present? 2 atoms. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube. And volume of the cube 64 3 into root 3 R cube. Right, students. So here, students, 8 by 3 pi R cube, R get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, 8 ones are 8 8s are get cancelled. We got pi into root 3 by 8. Pi value 3.42, root 3 value 1.732 into 100. 8 as it is. 8 ones are 8 8s. 8. So that is packing efficiency of BCC, body center cubic, is this much. So the whatever the central one atom and the corner 8 atoms by contributing 1 by 8 parts, they are compactly packed with 60%. They are compactly packed with 60%. And remaining 32% is empty space. 32% is the empty space. Right, students? So packing efficiency of FCC. Number of atoms in FCC 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2, 4. Number of atoms in FCC is 4. So triangle of ABC, AC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square. AB value is A and B to C value is A. We want to calculate what is the face diagonal length. Face diagonal. So ABA means we are using the A square. BCA means we are using the A square. So AC is equal to 2A square. AC is equal to root 2A. Right, students? This 2 taken as on this side. This is root 2. So AC is 4R. Why you are using 4R in place of AC, students? Look at here. How many radius? RA, and this is RC, C radius of C. Central atoms are sharing the one radius to A, another radius to C. Central atom sharing one radius to A, another radius to C. So that's why the how many R's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 R's are in between the A and C. So we are using AC 4R. Root 2A, that is root 2A. AC 4R is equal to root 2A. A is taken outside, that is A is the edge length. A is the edge length. 4R by root 2. So 4R are taken as a 2 into root 2 into 2R, that is by root 2. So here 2 is there, the 2 which having the power is 1. Right, then can we split it as a power is 1, the base is same, split as a 1 as a split into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means root this having the power 1, this power 1 are divided by consider if it is split into 2 form, then it becomes like this, 2 into 2 to the power half and 2 to the power half R by root 2, right, like this. So power half means root, per half means root. So that's why root get cancelled, 2 into 2R. This is the edge length. Actual edge length is 2 into 2R. Right, students? This is the final edge length. So volume of the cube, A cube, 2 into root 2R whole cube. That is a 8 2 q to root 2 whole cube R cube. So root 2, the power, again we are splitting here this power, the 3 are splitting into 2 form, root 2 square and root here 1. The power cube is split into 2 form, base is same, power is different, the power root whole to the power 2, root whole to the power 1. So square and root get cancelled, 8 into 2 root 2 into R cube, that is 16 root 2 R cube, right, students? Now we got the volume of the cube, A cube. After finding volume of the cube, let's move to the packing efficiency of FCC. Number of atoms into volume of sphere into 100. Volume of the cube, 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube. And volume of atom, number of atom is 4. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube, the spherical. Volume of the cube is 16 root 2 R cube 100. So in this case the R cube get cancelled, 16s are cancelled here, students. Pi into root 3 into root 2 into 100, that is pi value 3.42, 3 as it is, root 2 value is 1.414. We got the packing efficiency of FCC is 74. Right, students? 74%. Understood? Okay, let's move on the next topic, students. The calculation involving the unit cell dimension. It is possible to calculate the volume. Okay, just a minute, students. So what is the mean of 74%? 74% means the FCC in which the constant particles the strongly attached with the 74%, and the remaining the 26% is the empty space. 26% is empty space, and their percentage, the total 4 atoms are present here. 4 atoms. These 4 atoms are occupying the 74%, and remaining 26 is the empty space. Right, students? Understood? Okay. Calculation involving the unit cell dimension. It is possible to calculate the volume of the unit cell, mass of the atom in the unit cell, determination of mass single atom and the unit cell edge and density. So this is we have to determine the with this reaction we have to determine the mass of the density of unit cell, mass of the unit cell, adjacent of the unit cell, all the things we are going to discuss here. So volume of unit cell is A cube. Already we know that mass of the unit cell is A. Sorry, mass of the unit cell is M. Number of atoms, mass of the unit cell. We want to capture, sorry students. So this is the formula, students. Mass of the atom, mass of the unit cell is equal to number of unit cell into mass of unit cell. Mass of unit cell means number of atom. How many number of atom present in unit cell, and each atom's mass of each atom. So number of unit cell is Z. Z means FCC4, BCC2 and SCC1. Number of atoms. SCC having 1 atoms, BCC have 2 atoms, FCC have 4 atoms, like this. Mass taken as a small m. Z into m. So Z as it is. M, mass of each atom means molar mass by Avogadro number. Mass of each atom means molar mass by capital M by Na Avogadro number. Small m is equal to m by Na. M by Na. This is small m and this is capital M. Right, students? Molar mass and Na Avogadro number. Density is equal to mass of unit cell by volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell, they taken as mass of unit cell Z into M by A cube. M means M by Na, Z into M, A cube into Na. This is the questions. So in this question, sometimes they were what is the density, what is the number of atom, what is the mass, what is the volume of the cube, and what is Avogadro number. We have to find it here. Right, students? Okay, let's see one example, students. Potassium bromide has a density 2.75 gram per centimeter cube. The edge length of unit cell is 654 picometer. Prove that KBr is a face center cubic cell. If you want to prove here the density is 2.75 gram given and the edge length is 654 is given. With the help of this given data, we have to find out that the given crystal, the KBr crystal, is a face center. Edge length A is equal to 64 picometer. Picometer means 10 to the power of minus 12. And the 10 to the power of minus 12, they are split into two form. 10 to the power of minus 10, 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 taken as a centimeter. And again the centimeter, again the powers are shifted on the left hand side. It becomes plus 8 minus 10 plus 2 minus 8. Right, students? So density Zm by A cube. Here the density dimension 275 gram. A cube is, edge length is 654 10 to the power of minus 8. Avogadro number is constant 6.022 10 to the power of 23. Atomic mass of KBr is constant. I am calculated here. Potassium 40 and the bromine is 79, so 119 gram. So we got 3.09, which is approximately equal to 4. So 4 means the 4 is the number of atoms which is present in the FCC. So Z is equal to 4 means this is the FCC crystal units. Right, students? I hope you understood.